I'm a grandfather with a girl and a boy, and I'm expecting a little girl. So I'm gonna have 3 grandkids. Me and my son-in-law, we're working full-time as a federal technician for the National Guard. And we left one morning, and I guess about 5 miles from here, we got hit head on. I could see it coming, but there was nothing we could do. When the impact hit, all I really seen was a flare go across, but I heard the impact. All I was thinking about was getting out the car, because I could see a lot of smoke. Finally, my son-in-law reached over and caught the door handle and pushed it open. So when I went to move, that's when I noticed that my hip and my leg was crushed. I stayed in the hospital like 3.5 weeks. There was many times that I sat in my wheelchair on the front porch just worrying about what was gonna happen, how I was gonna get by, how I was gonna be the rest of my life. I knew of Brian, but I never knew him personally. I heard that he was a fella that when you needed help, he was there for you. I was at first, let's settle this, let's get it over with. He told me, he said, that's my job. I was kind of worried. I said, does the man know what he's talking about? I said, well, I guess he does. He's been doing this for so many years, you know? But he always told me, let me do my job, and if anything that you need, that your family needs, you call me. Don't call anybody else. You call me. And I can tell you today, this man stepped up, because if it wouldn't have been for him, I don't know where I'd be today. I would have probably lost a lot of what I have. He took care of me. He took care of my family. Anytime you need anything from them, you had a question, it didn't make any difference who you talked to over there. They had an answer for you. And Brian, still today, I go drink coffee with him, ask us how we're doing, ask about how my wife's doing. And I know you see a lot of ads on TV with everybody, but I know for a fact, I know what he did for me. I don't have no problems with Brian. The only problem I have is when I go over there and he don't have a fresh cup of coffee, and that's not too many times.